Single Point Registration Scheme under NSIC. National Small Industries Corporation is a certified Government of India enterprise under Ministry of MSME. NSIC registers micro and small enterprises under Single Point Registration Scheme. This registration is helpful for MSEs to participate in government purchases. Benefits to MSEs having registration under Single Point Registration Scheme. Number 1. Issue of the tender sets free of cost. Number 2. Exemption from payment of earnest money deposit. Number 3. Advantage in tender participation. And number 4. Procurement from MSEs. Let me explain you the advantage in tender participation. MSEs participating in a tender quoting a price within price band of L1 plus 15% shall also be allowed to supply a portion up to 25% of requirement by bringing down their price to L1 price, where L1 is non-MSEs. Eligibility criteria. All micro and small enterprises having Udyam registration are eligible for registration under Single Point Registration Scheme. Please note that medium enterprises are not eligible for registration under Single Point Registration Scheme. Registration under Single Point Registration Scheme for newly started MSEs. Unit that has commenced commercial production but not completed 1 year of existence can get provisional registration certificate. Validity of certificate under Single Point Registration Scheme 2 years from the date of registration. Renewal of certificate under Single Point Registration Scheme. MSE units can apply for renewal 6 months before expiry of certificate. List of eligible and ineligible activities. All manufacturing and service activities are eligible for registration under Single Point Registration Scheme except the following activities. Number 1. Manufacture of medicine and drugs except few activities. Number 2. Wholesale trading, retail trading or commissioning agent. Eligible manufacturing activities of medicine and drugs. Manufacturing and supply of Ayurvedic, Unani, Siddha and homeopathic medicines. MSEs ineligible under Single Point Registration Scheme. The MSEs who have been blacklisted, the proprietor, partner, director, Karta of the MSEs has been convicted for any criminal offence. Suvidha Consultants provide complete solutions to micro and small enterprises in getting Single Point Registration under NSIC. For more information, please contact us, Suvidha Consultants, 14 SP Mukherjee Road, Shri Balaji Sadan, 3rd floor, Kolkata 700025. Our contact number 8420675402. Our email ID is suvidha@suvidhaconsultants.com. You can also visit our website www.suvidhagroup.in. Thank you.